Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change frame on the Rush Royale application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And new, click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen, and click to the edit button next to the username. Here you can find the first option, the frame, and click to the change frame button. And here you can find a different frame, and just select one and click to the select button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.